Welcome to the channel. This is a tutorial and it's the first in the series that explain the basis of Sendinblue, which is an email marketing program. These tutorials are designed as a separate set of videos that run alongside the series to help you rebrand and run a more profitable photography business or start to run a new photography business. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Look out for the rest of the series as I will explain each step in helping you gather clients' email addresses and then use that information to send them emails, newsletters and launch promotions, all for free. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. By doing this, you are also helping me grow the channel. Sendinblue has almost everything that most small businesses need to reach customers on the most basic level. It provides excellent tools for creating and personalizing emails, text messages, newsletters, and other types of content. Sendinblue is an all-in-one solution that helps you market your business. What is email marketing? Well, email marketing is when you send a commercial email message to your email subscribers, contacts who have signed up to your email list and given express permission to receive email communications from you. Email marketing is used to inform, drive sales, and build a community around your brand, e.g., like with a newsletter. Modern email marketing has moved away from one-size-fits-all mass mail-ins and instead focuses on consent, segmentation, and personalization. So which is first, chicken or the egg? Or in this case, email or collecting lists. You can't send an email or newsletter until you have a list, one or more of your clients' email addresses, for example. But before we start, I must point out that your list of email addresses or data of your clients will soon become the most valuable item within your business. It is pure gold. How do I get them, you might ask? Lots of ways that you can do this, and here are just a couple. Have a form on your website, which could be one way of attracting clients, say by giving an offer, if that client completes the form, or collect information from booked clients, and you do this at the time of booking. Or you could ask fresh clients to sign up for your newsletter, offering people to sign up for your newsletter a free voucher or similar. Remember, if you are asking for a person or client's information, you will need to offer something in return. One huge tip here, please be careful if you purchase data, as it will be expensive, and you won't know if that person is really interested in your personal business, as they might have signed up for a large national company's form, but ticked the box that said photography. But it might not be the type of photography you offer, or they might not actually live in your area. So, what can Sendinblue do for you? In simple terms, it gathers and stores your business data. It allows you to market your business to this data free. It obviously can do a lot more than that, but these are the two main reasons for using Sendinblue. We will cover setting up a form, designing newsletters, emails, and making lists in the upcoming tutorials. If you enjoyed this video and feel that it has helped you, please like it and subscribe, as that helps me. Also, if you have any topics that you would like covered or questions, please post them below. I look forward to seeing you soon, and stay safe.